Welcome to a special Hyperdoc edition of Wardy Screencast. This video will teach you how, basically really it's just going to explain a comma project that you're going to be working on over the next few weeks. So let me get into it real quick. So you're going to go to Google Classroom. You should have already done this actually to find this video because it'll be attached to the assignment. Go to the classwork tab, which you've already done, Hyperdoc. The video will be attached down here, but this is what you're going to work on. Hashtag commas, hashtag Beastmode. It is a Google document, Hyperdoc. What you're going to do is this. There are 9 different rules. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually 7, 8, and then a recap. Okay, all this is going to teach you different rules and ways to use commas. It's one of the things I've noticed in writing. There's a lot of different rules, and this is a good way for you to learn. And in the end, you will actually teach others. If the one way that we know we learn something is when we can explain and teach others what we've how to do things. So there's 3 boxes at the end. You're going to do these 3 last in this order. All these other ones you can do in any order you want. I'm going to start up at the top. So what you'll do is this. Some will have videos. This one's to learn about series. This one will kind of take you to a website where I'll explain a little bit more. You're going to figure out the rule. Some are going to say, all right, what's the rule? You're going to write the rule here. Now I'll give an example. Then here you would give an example. This one, it's going to explain what fanboys are. You may remember this from last year, maybe not, years past. If you do, great. If not, doesn't matter. You're going to click on this, and you're going to watch this video. Alright, we'll deal with fanboys. I'm going to explain what fanboys are and all this fun stuff. For and nor but or yet so. F-A-N-B-O-Y-S fanboys. Anyway, so you're going to learn what they are. Then you're going to click on this video and you're going to find 3 examples that correctly use the comma with fanboys. Not just use a comma, but use comma with this rule. Now this video here happens to be a amazingly talented Justin Bieber video. Baby, baby. And I'm going to stop singing. Of course, right now I hit the ad. Need to show you this, so I'm going to wait, skip the ad. So it's going to play the song. It's going to give you a little bit. Right here, you would find one, go, they've used comma right fanboys. I'm going to put this in the actual document as one of the examples of them using it right. So you're going to go through like that, fill all these boxes out, just click the links, follow along. All this, including these 2 things, is worth 50 points. So here, when you do all the other 9 boxes, you're going to click this and it's going to take you to each of these a Google form, which will alright, did you learn what you should have learned? This one is number 2, again it's multiple choice. There is a paragraph in which, so you're going to write a paragraph using at least 5 of the comma rules. All that's worth 50 points, all this. The last part is worth 100 points. So all told, this entire thing's 150 points. It is a major grade. This is the comma exam, 100-point test grade. Right here. You have 5 options. You could create a Google slideshow explaining the rules. Create a website using Google Sites. Create and record a song, a video. Alright. Do not worry about this today. I will explain this another time when we meet. You will not get to this today. If you do, you've done something wrong up here. So just focus on these boxes today. Follow along, click the links, learn about some commas, make sure you're following the directions, you're putting the rules and examples where noted, and yeah, you know what I'm about to say. Wardy out!